a lot of people don't know that some companies cannot buy Bitcoin. They have to go through the strategies, right? The meta planet. So why is that?
There are funds that are established, like credit funds or capital, market funds that are established with very specific like legal mandates of like, hey, you have to invest in 10% of this, 20% of that, so on and so forth.
Yep.
And before the Bitcoin ETF and before all these different financial products that tap into the bond market and the credit market and so on, those funds, like a pension fund, for example, they have very
Yeah.
specific rules about what they can and cannot invest in. They really couldn't easily get exposure to Bitcoin because I don't think they were able to legally buy spot Bitcoin. And I think that this is all
Yeah.
what kind of where the role of fiduciaries come into play and the role of the regulations come into play. And then all kinds of rules, I think that mostly sprouted up in the last 20, 30 years after the different financial crises that happened. But yeah, they have all these different kind of investment mandates that they're required to follow. And Bitcoin as an asset or as a commodity just never fit under those investment mandates until these different financialized products existed.